Wemri Nongthymmai ba Charles Pangrup Rayathu ba Sisen haba Yait Lanti Hamadan football kuma sau san ngut ki Khynnah ka rilang children's home ga khot u shajan bat ka kli u e mama lanu phin Shna no yegni ka ko ya kan yu ba Charles Rayathu haba kren mata ka sngi ha ka jingra ki dap khan news nem ka rilang children's home Nongthymmai Shillong kum kong san ba Charles ong ba kani ki jing kli jong ki ya u kum tei ka dei na ma ba ki ra itu itau ba ya u nama ju yait lanti man ka por kumunumi khmat paj ba na ka te jaka ha ka jina khela don lang do ginang panyat kani ka jaka ri konsuat kuntup us denden u phadar sa chempang khar rangkat ki konsuat ki ba ai ru ka jing syat bar ki jing ruai ya ka jina khela pelong ha Don Bosco Integrated Development Society Hall Nongthymmai Shillong.
I used to be a regular visitor as a guest, and I used to enjoy every moment with these children. But today, when we see the success stories, kanong isong kumen ba lumba kajing yalam linti, the nurture, the care you have given them, when we see the success stories, it gives us a lot of hope that there is a future if all of us just lend a helping hand. More weight from lari. Ini ada borok, ia lumla, ia ka jingya rap kejungi, dan itu same. Now it's scary. Not only the children of Rilang's home, but everywhere in the state of ours, will see light at the end of the tunnel, which is all what you want for our children. Ilabadi jom kunjung no jom jom ibe yu, ile khaduri kunjung play. De angni nganu pun kita nama apa? De kredit boro, but kita ke kecil lebar. Jom ki missionaries bohel hai, India bohel hai. Today we appreciate the efforts of Rilang and BITS in the endeavor to bring a better life for our children. I remember coming here once and I had tinang ni mumpuli samaran bol dan na sau sunut badia di darila imama lalu bisa mereka quote itu ya luar gila itu aku lagi dia Tama, they were so close and they used to see me around. So for that, I'm Mama, the blood of Shna. So anyway, that is one of the experiences I had in Ande. Once again, I'd like to thank you, Father, all of you, for your good work and giving me this opportunity to be part of this beautiful program. We all got to see for ourselves first time the beauty that has been created out of Rilang Children's Home. Once again, I thank all the well-wishers, the benefactors, which is important. Sometimes we think, I think mintoy, plain mintoy, I think India too. The little drop fills the ocean. So with these few words, Father, thank you very much.
Each one of you present here, especially first of all, I would like to thank God for giving me this opportunity to be here and to share my testimony. Today, I stand before you with a heart full of gratitude and a soul full of joy. I am Loving Star Marway, a proud product of Rilang Children's Home. As I look back on my journey, I remember days when I thought there was no light at the end of the tunnel, but Rilang Children's Home was the light. That beacon of hope that guides me through the darkest moment of my life. From the moment I stepped into this home, I was surrounded by love, care, and support. The staff and caregivers became my family, my mentor, and my model. They taught me to dream big, to believe in myself, and to never give up. I especially want to thank the fathers, sisters, and all the staff members who have cared for me like the parent would. This love, guidance, their love, guidance, and prayers have been a constant source of strength and inspiration for me.